Today I'm going to show you Google's new AI tool called Nano Banana. It creates amazing images from simple text. It's free to use right now, and I'll show you some ways you can get paid to use it. Let's dive in and see what this tool can actually do. Hey there, if we haven't met yet, I'm the AI-powered avatar of Nick Ponte, the guy behind Hawaii's fastest-growing marketing agency, Mina Marketing. While the real Nick is out closing deals and scaling businesses, I'm here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and money-making strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And hey, if you're serious about taking your business to the next level, grab my 4-part AI fast-track training that I am currently offering for free. The link's in the description. All right, now let's get into it. So, what exactly is Nano Banana? It's Google's newest image creation tool that lives inside the Gemini app. You type in what you want to see, and it makes the image for you. Think of it like having a digital artist that never gets tired and works in seconds. This tool launched on August 26th, and according to Google's official announcements, it's already created a massive impact. The Gemini app hit #1 in the Apple App Store, dethroning ChatGPT for the first time in nearly 3 years. This surge has helped push Google's market cap past $3 trillion. People are using it to create everything from 3D figurines to action figure versions of themselves. The tool can blend multiple photos together and keep people looking consistent across different images. According to Google's own data, over 500 million images have been edited using Nano Banana since launch. Here's what makes this different from other AI image tools. Nano Banana can do something called style transfer. You can take a regular photo and turn it into a pencil sketch, or change someone's outfit completely, or even redesign buildings and spaces. All you do is type what you want, and it handles the rest. The speed is what caught my attention. Most AI image tools take forever to process. This one keeps all the detail, but works fast enough that you don't sit around waiting. Google built this for regular people to use, not just tech experts. Now let's talk about how people are actually using this thing. Social media is exploding with Nano Banana creations right now. People are creating everything from retro-style portraits to fantasy character transformations. They're using simple prompts like turn this into a vintage 1950s portrait and getting amazing results. Gaming creators are making fantasy character versions of themselves. Even major brands are starting to use it for their content marketing campaigns. The figurine trend has become especially popular. People just type, turn this photo into a 3D collectible figurine, and get results that look like real toys and packaging. The tool comes in 2 ways. Free users get it through the Gemini app on phones with up to 100 edits per day. If you need more advanced features, there's Google AI Studio for developers and agencies. The pricing for the developer version is about 4 cents per image, which is significantly cheaper than hiring traditional designers. Here's something important about safety. Every image that comes out of Nano Banana has an invisible watermark called Synth ID. This helps people know the image was made by AI. Google also includes visible watermarks to clearly show the images are AI generated. If you're finding this valuable so far, hit that like button and subscribe. The real Nick reads every comment on these videos, so drop your thoughts below. And if you want to learn more about using AI tools like this in your business, grab my free 4-part AI fast-track training. The link's in the description. Now let's get into the business side of this. How are people actually using Nano Banana to help their businesses? Content creators are using it to make thumbnails and social media posts. Instead of hiring graphic designers or spending hours in Photoshop, they type what they need and get results in seconds. Real estate agents are getting creative with this. They take photos of empty spaces and use Nano Banana to show what rooms could look like with different furniture and decor. Property developers are using it to show potential buyers what buildings will look like before they're built. The numbers Google released are pretty impressive. In just the first few weeks, Nano Banana brought in over 23 million new users to the Gemini app. That's massive growth for any platform. The clothing and fashion space is seeing major changes. Small clothing brands are creating entire lookbooks without expensive photo shoots. They can take one model photo and show the same person wearing different outfits and styles. This saves thousands of dollars on traditional photography. Marketing agencies like mine are starting to test this for client work. We can create custom images that match a brand's exact colors and style. No more searching through stock photo sites hoping to find something that fits. Here's where it gets smart for local businesses. A landscaping company can show clients what their yard will look like with different designs by typing, add a garden pathway and flowering bushes to this backyard. A home improvement contractor can show kitchen renovations by prompting, transform this kitchen with modern white cabinets and marble countertops. But there are some things to watch out for. Google has been adjusting usage limits as demand grows. They moved from fixed daily limits to what they call access tiers, which can change based on server demand and user status. Let me show you some specific ways businesses can use this tool right now. E-commerce businesses can create product mockups faster. Say you sell phone cases, you can take one photo of a phone case and use Nano Banana to show it in different colors or on different phone models. Service businesses can create visual examples of their work. A pool cleaning company can take a photo of a dirty pool and show what it looks like clean. A pressure washing business can demonstrate their results before showing up to give a quote. Personal trainers and fitness coaches are using it to create workout illustrations. Instead of hiring photographers for every exercise demonstration, they can generate consistent images that match their brand style. Restaurants are experimenting with menu design. They can create food images that match their actual presentation style. Some are using it to show seasonal menu items before the ingredients are available. The key is to use this as a starting point, not the final product. Most successful businesses are using Nano Banana to create drafts and concepts. Then they refine things with real photography or professional design when needed. Here's what doesn't work well yet. Complex technical drawings or diagrams come out inconsistent. Anything that needs to be legally accurate, like architectural plans, shouldn't rely on AI generation. For agencies and consultants, this tool can speed up client presentations. You can mock up ideas quickly during discovery calls, show potential website designs, create social media post examples. The blending feature is where things get interesting for marketing. You can take a client's existing brand photos and blend them with new styles or settings. A yoga studio can take their instructor photos and place them in different environments. The consistency feature is probably the most useful for businesses right now. You can create a series of images where the same person or product appears exactly the same way every time. This is huge for brand consistency. According to TechCrunch's coverage, this puts Google back in serious competition with OpenAI and other AI companies. The viral nature of the tool has shifted market dynamics in Google's favor. The mobile app integration is smart. Most business owners are on their phones all day anyway. They can create images while traveling during downtime or right when inspiration hits. Some businesses are using this for internal communications too. HR departments create training materials with consistent characters. Sales teams make presentation graphics that match their brand colors exactly. The style transfer feature opens up creative possibilities. A serious financial firm can take their professional photos and show what they'd look like as cartoon characters for a lighter social media presence. Here's what I keep telling my agency clients. Don't use AI images for everything. Mix them with real photography, especially for important brand moments. People can usually tell when something is AI generated. The trends change fast in this space. What's popular on social media today might look outdated next month. Use Nano Banana to test ideas and create concepts, but be ready to pivot your visual strategy as the technology evolves. Here's something most people miss about AI image tools. The real value isn't in replacing human creativity, it's in speeding up the testing phase. You can try 20 different visual concepts in the time it used to take to create a single image. The competitive advantage here isn't just about creating images faster, it's about testing marketing messages and visual concepts before spending big money on professional production. Small businesses can compete with larger companies on visual quality. A local gym can create workout demonstration images that look as professional as what national fitness brands produce. Here's where agencies are finding the most value. Client presentation speed has increased dramatically. Instead of spending days creating mock-ups, they can generate concepts during discovery calls. But quality control is still important. Not every generated image will meet professional standards. Plan to generate multiple options and select the best ones. The cost structure makes sense for most businesses. At 4 cents per image through the API, you can generate hundreds of test images for the cost of one stock photo license. The watermarking system protects your business legally. Every image has proof it was AI generated rather than copied from somewhere else. As copyright enforcement gets stricter around AI content, this documentation becomes valuable. Here's the bottom line. Nano Banana isn't going to replace professional designers or photographers, but it can speed up your testing and concept phases dramatically. The businesses winning with this tool are the ones treating it as a brainstorming partner, not a final solution. Generate concepts quickly, test them with your audience, then decide what deserves professional production. Start small with one specific use case. Don't try to revolutionize your entire visual strategy overnight. Pick social media posts, internal presentations, or concept mock-ups. Remember the limitations. Complex scenes, technical accuracy, and high-stakes marketing materials still benefit from human creativity. Use AI generation, where speed and iteration matter more than perfection. Most importantly, this tool works best when combined with human judgment. Generate multiple options, pick the best ones, and refine them based on your brand knowledge and customer understanding. If you want to dive deeper into using AI tools like this to grow your business, grab my free 4-part AI fast track training. I go into detail on getting higher paying clients and give you access to a free 30-day trial of the best AI software I use to run my agency. You'll also get access to our community of over 21,000 AI and marketing agency owners. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.